Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. Ron calling from Rock Auto. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. It's so hard to get a hold of you guys, man.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I understand you made a complaint. Is that right?
On rockauto.com?
That's right. Yeah, what happened? I'd like to try and help.
Explain to me. There's a few complaints I got with a few companies, but explain to me what is my complaint there.
Okay, well, according to the email that you sent over, you needed a transmission pump for a 2004 GMC Sierra Hybrid.
Yeah, I needed the oil pump, the pressure oil pump, because it's a hybrid 2004 GMC Sierra with the 5.3.
And you needed the pressure pump.
Yes.
Okay.
I got it at the transmission shop for over a month, and they say they rebuilt the tranny and everything is done. And when I brought the truck, I drove it 10 miles and the light came on again, and it's the pressure pump, and I think they're full of bull crap.
What? I'm sorry?
I say I think the people that's doing my tranny is full of bull crap.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Why do you say that?
Because it's been over a month, like a month and a week. They had my truck. They damaged it. They put a crease in the quarter panel. They cracked the windshield, and they say they're not responsible. So I took it under my shoulder. I paid them $1,800, and all of a sudden, the transmission shifted just like it shifted before, and it was always the pressure pump. So they got me there. And now they're playing these games that they can't find the part.
Well, they certainly can be a bunch of wascally wabbits.
I'm sorry?
They certainly can be a bunch of wascally wabbits, can't they?
Yeah, I hear you. Well, they're all Spaniards, you know, and it just seems like I don't feel like they know what they're doing.
Right, because the Spanish are not known for knowing what they're doing, you know?
Yeah.
I know what you mean there, buddy. All right, what I'd like to do is pass you on to my supervisor, if that's okay, to see what we can get done here for you. Would that be all right?
That'd be wonderful, my friend.
Okay, so I'm going to put you on a brief hold. I'm just going to explain to my supervisor what is going on, and then she should be able to help with everything. Does that sound okay?
Yeah, I never put a complaint on Rock Auto. I just the complaint I had, it was so hard to get to you guys. You guys are returning my call after about 10 calls.
Oh, I'm sorry. But
no, it's not your fault.
What I'd like to do is get the supervisor, if that's okay. So just bear with me one moment, and I'll patch her in, okay?
Thank you.
Your call is very important to us. Please hold.
Oh my God, Kathy, it's Ron.
Oh, hey, Ron. How are you?
You're not going to believe this. I've got a call on line 3. The guy can't hear us right now. He's on hold.
Okay.
I've got a call on line 3 from a racist with a speech impediment. I guess we should call him a wacist.
Racist?
Oh my God.
What does that mean?
Stupid wacist.
Are you serious?
So he's on hold right now. This racist just told me that he's not happy with how his transmission was repaired because the people were Spaniards. That's what he said.
What?
Oh, you're talking to me?
And so anyway, I'd like to patch him through to a supervisor. He's just on hold right now, so he can't hear us. But
patch the racist through.
Yeah, this guy's a real racist prick, if you know what I mean. So can I patch it? I warn you now, it's impossible to tell what he's saying. He sounds like fucking Elmer Fudd or something. I don't know. Anyway, give me 2 minutes. Let me patch him in.
Well, does Rock Auto have the pressure pump for the Hybrid pickup of mine?
Hello, this is Kathy. How may I help you?
Hi, Kathy. I've been trying to get a hold of you guys since I watched the Garage Workers, on TV on Discovery Channel, where they go to your house and do it. Mm-hmm. The Garage Squad. Well, anyway, what? I have a 2004 GMC Sierra, and I need the oil pressure pump because it's a hybrid that's in the transmission. and it's a little pump. It seems like the size of a fuel pump in your gas tank.
Mm-hmm.
And I just need to find out if I can get that, because apparently these people that done my transmission, I don't even know if they did it. And it had the same results. And she says she's looking for a pressure pump. She wants to put one out of a junkyard when I paid her $1,800. And I'm just so fed up with this situation. Over a month and a half, they had my truck.
I do have to ask you. Okay, is the truck yours?
Yes, it's my dad. He passed away, and he kept his truck in the garage.
Okay,
and
but
the only thing I wanted to go register, the engine check light came on, and I went to the shop, and they put that plug into it, and it said oil transmission pressure pump. I don't even know what the heck that is. But anyway,
and
the truck is.
Sorry, where did your dad keep?
I'm sorry.
Where did your dad keep it? Outside?
In the garage. If you see the truck, you think it's a 2022, and it's a 2004.
And
all I need is the oil.
Okay, so what do you need fixed? Did you
oil pressure pump? For the transmission, because it's a hybrid.
Trucks aren't hybrids.
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir. This is Ron. I'm still on the line. What did you say it was? A hybrid?
A oil pressure pump in the transmission.
Right, but what are you saying the vehicle is exactly? A hybrid?
It's a hybrid GMC Sierra Chevrolet pickup with the 5.3 engine.
Are you saying?
Okay, I know that this is. I think this guy's full of shit. GMC and Chevrolet are different.
Are you saying hybrid, as in like a bird that smoked too much weed? What are you saying, hybrid?
Yeah. You know the hybrid cars?
Hybrid cars.
Yeah. Well, this is a hybrid truck. When you hit the brake and stop to a red light, it dies out, and when you let go of the brake, it starts and goes.
Are you trying to say hybrid?
Hybrid. It's HYBIRD, hybrid.
Okay.
No, it's not.
I have a.
That's not how you spell it either. Jesus fucking
I have a question
Christ.
for you, sir. Okay, just to make sure that we're all on the same page and we're talking about the same truck. It's the one that you pedal with your feet, right?
I'm sorry?
It's one that you pedal with your feet? Because the description that you're giving me is not an actual truck.
No, this is a truck. This is a very rare truck because I believe it's one of the first hybrid trucks. I don't know. It's what the transmission shop told me. That these trucks don't exist.
Right.
I said, well, here it is.
Wait, so
you're hybrid on the door.
So you're saying it's what is it? A Chevrolet and a
GMC Chevrolet.
It's a GMC
is made by Chevrolet.
It's a GMC Chevrolet hybrid truck.
No. Yes. No.
From 2004.
What? Hold on a minute. Which one is it? Are you saying yes or no, sir? Is it a hybrid?
No. Yes.
Well, which is it? Yes or no?
Yes. Oil pressure pump.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know what an oil pressure
hybrid
pump is, sir? They're not found in hybrid.
You guys are having fun, and I'm crying.
He needs a pressure point for his hybrid training.
Oh man, we got to get a lot of training. But anyway, I just need the oil pressure transmission pump for hybrid transmission.
This is what you're gonna do. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get the truck. You're gonna put it on Auto Trader. Whatever sucker is gonna buy it or whatever for the $1,000 you're gonna sell it for, whatever. Then go buy some crack with it, because obviously you need another fix because you're not making much sense.
Yes, sir. There is no such thing as that truck. Are you making up stories for attention here?
What are you talking about, sir? It's my father's truck. He passed away.
All right.
I bought this truck in 2004. It's a GMC Sierra. Hybrid.
Did he pass away in the truck?
So,
No.
Was your dad's hobby stealing the badges off other vehicles and sticking them on his?
No.
Be honest, sir.
Are you sure this is a hard rock? Auto rock?
No, sir.
Did he get high with the bird? Did he get high with the bird?
This is Rock Auto, sir, not Hard Rock Rocco, whatever you said.
Okay, Rock Auto, Hybrid, whatever. I need the part. Do you have it?
Sir, can I just check? Before we sell you a vehicle part, we need to do a test to make sure that you're okay to be driving a vehicle. Have you taken any Xanax today or anything, cough syrup, anything like that?
Sir, what is the matter with you?
Well, that's why I'm asking you.
I am 65 years old. I don't take any drugs.
All right,
Do you?
Sir, yes, a little bit, but I'm just checking to make sure that you're safe to be driving a vehicle, that's all. We're going
in the Hybrid oil pump. Yes. This is what they tell me. I don't know, sir, about hybrids. And I was watching all your advertisement where these guys are garage mechanics that come to your garage and fix your vehicles. And they recommend Rock Auto.
Are you talking about the Mexicans?
Oh, I'm talking about Rock Auto parts. In the Hybrid oil pump.
You said the Mexicans come to your house and fix the vehicle?
I'm sorry?
You said the Mexicans come to your house and fix your stuff?
No, sir. I took my truck.
Sir, would you
transmission shop?
Would you like to upgrade to a
over a month and a half, and they said they rebuilt the tranny and the engine light is on and it won't pass smog.
Sir, settle down.
The hybrid training, Kathy. The hybrid training.
In the Hybrid oil pump. The hybrid oil pressure pump that goes in the transmission, sir.
Sir, would you like to upgrade to our premium non-Spaniard mechanics? Because I can do that for you.
All I need is a part. I don't need to upgrade anything. I just need the darn part.
Yeah, but we're going to...
Well, this is like a premium service, sir. It's American citizens.
Yeah, you won't get any Spaniards, sir. It'll just be an American citizen that works on your vehicle.
I don't care who works on it. Right now, I just need the pump to get my truck out of that darn shop. Do you understand that?
Not really, sir. I'm confused. What part is it that you need?
It's a transmission pressure pump.
Okay.
Oil pressure pump.
Right. And what are you going to do to the building if we take your
I just need the darn in the Hybrid oil pump.
Sir.
Oh my God.
Sir,
my Lord.
Sir, what are you going to do to the building if we take your stapler away?
I'll burn it down. You guys like pussies or prickies? What do you guys like?
Sorry, I'm sorry, sir. What was that?
Sir, where are you located?
I'm at the corporate call center with Rock Auto, sir.
All right, can I speak to Rock Auto?
You want to speak to Rock himself?
Obviously, you asked me the same questions over and over and over.
I'm just trying to understand what it is you need, sir. Okay?
Yeah, I just need the darn in the Hybrid oil pump. Do you want me to repeat it again?
Yes, please.
Yes.
One more time.
I just need the darn in the Hybrid oil pump. GMC Sierra truck. Stop laughing. GMC
Don't
Sierra
say that.
Hybrid. 5.3 engine.
Right.
I need the transmission pressure pump. Does that make any sense to you, or you guys are playing games?
It doesn't make any sense. I'm still trying to locate this vehicle of yours, sir.
Yeah, I just need the darn in the Hybrid oil pump.
Oh my gosh, Ron.
Yeah.
You know what I just thought?
Who's that guy that's talking?
That's you, sir. That's your voice.
That's my voice?
Sir, you keep saying something about pump, but it's very hard to hear you. Say it one more time, sir, what you said before. Say it again.
hybrid oil pressure prick pump. You know, dick prick.
I'm sorry.
You don't understand that?
Are you having some kind of joke with us, sir? Is this a prank call?
Are you having a medical emergency, sir?
I think he wants to worship your high bird.
Sir, are you having another stroke?
I'm gonna call the state on you guys, man.
All right, well,
and tell them what.
Try and sort your voice out before you do that, because they'll probably hang up on you if you call them.
You got I just need to learn in the hybrid oil pump.
Why don't you call the Mexicans riding around your hybrid truck right now?
Why don't I put my dick in your mother?
Well, now that was just uncalled for.
Can you bring your sister or your mother so I can fuck her in front of you?
Hey, you son of a bitch! There's a lady on the line, okay? You watch your mouth.
Yeah.
So what? What makes you a lady?
A vagina.
Who are you? What kind of lady are you? Do you got a cunt or do you got a little pussy? What do you got?
I guess that's the same thing.
Which one is it, Carpal? Answer the man. Did you say, does she have a cunt or a little pussy? I think you have these roles mistaken, sir. I'm a cunt and you're the little pussy here.
You're the cunt?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like dicks in your mouth?
Do cunts like dicks in them? Do cunts have mouths?
Yeah, you're a cunt. I got an 8.5-inch dick. Would you like
sir, you seem very confused about human anatomy. Is this why you wear your mouth upside down?
Well, this is what you guys want to hear. You don't understand English. You guys,
I don't understand English. I don't understand speech impediment. You can't even say hi bird properly.
What the fuck? Are you a fucking Hindu?
No, sir.
Yeah, you need the darn cunt in the hide cunt bird oil cunt.
I need a pump for my hide bird. Run. You sound like a fucking retard on bath salts. You sound like Forrest Gump if Forrest Gump was stupider.
I got a retard 8.5-inch dick.
Sir, you don't even know what kind of car you have, nor can you pronounce hybrid.
You fucking correctly. Middle-aged, lispy little fuck. I will slap the shit out of you if you don't watch it.
The Hindu. And let me talk to the woman, because she seems like she's got a little more sense than you'll ever have.
Why have you got a problem if I was a Hindu, you racist little prick? What happened? Did a brown man hit you in the mouth with a shovel when you were a kid, and that's why you talk like this?
Well, the shovel goes up your ass. Yeah, you just need the darn cunt in the hide cunt bird cunt oil cunt pump. And I like to locate you guys. All you motherfuckers.
Sir.
And I like to fuck that girl that's in there.
I bet you would, yeah. I bet you would there, Chuckles. Yeah.
I like to cook right in her mouth.
Yeah. You know what I'd like to do?
Just trying to help you, sir. That's really inappropriate.
Do you know what I'd like to do? I'd like to dig up your stupid, retarded dad's skull, show him that his car was fake, and then skull fuck his eye sockets while you cry.
You're English, right?
Yeah, you got a problem with the British now?
You guys, I don't know. I don't know what kind of thing it is. I have no clue. But your number's coming up as Rock Auto.
That's right, sir. That's who we are.
I will proceed to this.
Where are you?
Yeah, where are you, sir? Where are you now?
I am the customer.
Do you know what you sound like, sir? You sound like this.
What's this all about? Jimmy, you've always been my favorite stand-up comic. You gotta help me. I've lost my sense of humor. Gee, that's a terrible thing, Eric. Comedy can be the best therapy, very much.
That's what you sound like. You sound like Jimmy from South Park. Do you know that? Are you aware?
Jimmy!
Do you walk around with two crutches? Walking into stores going, I need a pump for my high bird.
The training.
Oil pressure cunt.
Training.
Oil pressure cunt. Oil pressure cunt.
More.
Oil pressure cunt. Oil pressure cunt.
There he goes. Right, have you got the bit where he went, yes? It's the way he was like, oil pressure pumped, yes! Hello?
Dickard Rock Auto.
What's that? Walk Auto? What is that?
Oil pressure cunt.
What is Walk Auto? Sir, look, we'd like to help you out here, okay? I understand your vehicle's in the shop.
I don't think I would really trust you for anything.
Well, sir, I'm sorry that we got off on the wrong foot, but can we not resolve this as men together, you know?
As men?
Yes, sir. I'd like to...
You talk like a jackass to me. Now you want to talk like a man.
Oh, you talk like Porky Pig, but you don't hear me pointing it out. Now, do you want me to help with the problem
you
or not?
asked for it, okay? I'm telling you, I am the customer, and I'm looking for a part, and you guys are playing freaking games with me.
No, sir. We're not playing games. Look, I'm on the computer system right now. Just tell me the name of the part that you require. I'm going to type it in, okay?
It's a hybrid transmission pressure oil pump. Oil pressure cunt.
Whoa, sir,
You're recording you're recording me. Why are you doing that?
I'm not recording you, sir. I'm using a rotary phone. I don't have that facility.
Ron, are you still
using a rotary phone?
Yes. Yeah.
Oil pressure cunt.
I think we should call the shop.
Yeah.
Like, let's just get this sorted out. Let's call the shop.
Can you please stop using the profanity, sir, and we'll call the shop and find out about the vehicle and see if they can get the part, okay? What shop is it in right now?
Cunt.
Sir, please. What shop is the vehicle in right now?
It's at Amco.
Amco, and where are they located?
They're located in Colombia.
Let me take a look here. Amco Insurance Company.
Cunt.
Amco Battery Dealers near the Columbia Asia Hospital. You're going to have to be more specific here.
Sir.
Yeah.
Can I get Rock Auto a phone number?
Can you give us a phone number? What is the phone number for?
No, I don't have their phone number. I just want to buy the part.
Right, but you said your imaginary vehicle was in the shop, correct? The one that you made up? The Chevrolet, Ford...
Yeah, the one I made up, that's correct.
Jaguar, Porsche, whatever it is you said it was?
Yeah.
Right. And it's a hybrid. It's definitely a hybrid.
It's definitely a high prick bird.
Okay, we do...
Yeah, you need the darn cunt.
Sir, please. We do have it in stock. Would you like me to go ahead and ship that to you, sir?
Well, sure.
Okay. The price is $6,994. That will automatically be charged to your card. Do you want premium or standard shipping?
Premium.
Okay, sorry. We'll be with you in the next 2 to 3 days. You will see... No. Oh, wait, are you saying you don't want premium or you don't want the part now?
I want premium.
Okay. Well, that's... No, you don't. Why do you keep saying no, sir?
I'm not saying anything.
You just... Sir. Sir, look.
Where's that girl?
Huh?
Where's that girl at?
You're not allowed to talk to females. You sound like a pederast. You sound like the kind of guy that hangs around school playgrounds bothering people. Like, do you want some
I bother people, especially when they bother me and talk shit.
Yeah, you sound like you're into kids. You sound fucking weird, to be honest with you.
Yeah, and what do you sound like?
A rich, handsome, respectable gentleman with legitimate employment. I know, yeah, you want an oil pump pressure thing for your made-up car. We have it in stock. It's going to be $6,994. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I'm willing to pay 10,000.
Okay, no, this is one from the scrap. This is from the scrapyard. This is from the. It's a reclaimed one. That's why it's cheap.
That's not bad for 6,000 scrapyard. I'll take it.
Yeah, it's used. It has some damage to it that you will need to repair. Are you any good at welding?
I would like to repair your ass with my dick.
Right.
And see how much
Unusual.
pressure can you take.
That is unusual.
I like to push your shit in.
Right.
No, dick.
Right, okay.
You want to record that?
You're just like your dad, aren't you? Is that how he died?
He died with your mother on his sucking his dick.
Right. What? My mother was sucking his dick and he just died.
Shit, low life American motherfucker.
Yes.
BOGO.
Okay, I'm done.
Holy shit!
That's it.